hindi yung accident.
Right now, ma'am? No, it's not. Yung pinagdala ng mga estudyante was already away from the eyes ng coaching staff. Basically, kaya that's the difficulty here. Wala na rin po nakatirang mga tao doon. Majority of them are in the waters. They are not directly in front of the resort, about 700 meters away. Makita po doon is the condition of the sea during the time. That's one. You won't send somebody doon on that condition. Why? Kailangan pang doon sa water if they need to undergo training. Kasi uneven po ang ang shoreline. We're trying to establish right now, ma'am, yung positions nila sa lugar and who were swept away ng current. Some of them already experienced na makainom ng water, including a foreigner one. Another one.
Okay. So, hindi lang apat, Director. Maybe more than that.
That is the reason why, ma'am, we will know as soon as makausap namin yung others na kasama doon sa Aurora.